Hi there, and welcome to WebAIe. I'm here to help you get your WebAIe engine set up, fast and easy. Let's walk through it together. First things first, head over to the WebAIe website and click Start Your Free Trial. Go ahead and fill in your details to create your account. Once you're in, just log in using your credentials. Now pick the plan that works best for you, and you're good to go. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and continue. Next, let's create your engine. Click Create Engine on your dashboard. You'll see a couple of options here, Text Engine and Voice Engine. We'll focus on text today, but if you'd rather create a voice engine, there's a step-by-step video available for that too. Once you've made your choice, your engine will be ready in just a moment. Now let's customize it to fit your brand. Click on the Settings tab, then select Prompt. This is where you shape how your engine responds. Think of it like giving it your brand's voice and personality. You can edit the base prompt here to reflect your business's unique tone and requirements. Customizing the prompt is important, as it ensures your WebAIe engine responds to your customers in a way that truly represents your brand and delivers the best possible experience. You can also add FAQs, key info, or documents to the knowledge base. That's how your engine gives accurate, helpful answers. The more you add, the better it performs. All right, your engine's looking good. Now it's time to test it. Try a few sample questions, tweak your prompt or knowledge base as needed, and refine until it feels just right. Ready to go live? Let's connect it to your website. Click Get Embed Code, then copy the code that pops up. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. If you haven't already, install a code snippet plugin. Then just paste the code into the footer section, save it, and activate. That's it. Your WebAIe engine is live. If you run into any questions, we're always here to help. Just email us at support@webaie.com. Thanks for choosing WebAIe, and enjoy building something amazing.